Hey everyone, I'm Heba and welcome back. Got an unboxing for you guys. It is the beauty box by Lookfantastic and it's for the month of September and it's their birthday month. I really like the design of it. It's really cool and I could probably use this box for a friend's birthday or a family member's birthday. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what's in this month and I'll list below all the different subscriptions and prices down below so we can go ahead and see what's in here. Let's open up the lid, and on the inside, there's always a saying inside the lid. Live every day like it's your birthday. Yes, that is a nice one. And of course it comes with a little booklet to let you know what's in here, and on the back, it gives you a little sneak peek of next month, but there's no sneak peek. It just says the advent calendar is coming. I did a video on the beauty advent calendars that are coming in 2019 and Lookfantastic was one of them. So I hope you guys check that video out and we can already pre-order, and I already did, and it should be coming, I believe, sometime in October. Let's go ahead and finish here. We also have a magazine Elle with Angelina Jolie. She is really pretty. And here you go. That's the color of inside for the birthday edit for Lookfantastic. I did an unboxing of the Beauty Fix birthday box and I sure hope that this one's going to be better than that one because you'll see in that video. If you haven't, I'll link it down below, but it didn't have products in there that you would think they want to celebrate their birthday with. But anywho, let's see what's in here. And there it is right there. As you can see, I can already tell you I love the first product that I'm going to pull out here. Shower Gel by Molten Brown, and it's a good size too. It's the orange and bergamot scent, and it's 100 ml 3.3 ounce of product in here. That's a good size. Let me look in this book to see if it has a price. This is worth 10 British pounds. Discover an iconic Molten Brown fragrance with this refreshing shower gel infused with orange, bergamot, and neroli. Alright, I'm real happy with this one. That's a good size. Alright, next you have something from Oskia. It's the Renaissance Cleansing Gel. With a delicate rose chamomile scent, this cleansing gel quickly and gently dissolves makeup, leaving the complexion illuminated and hydrated. And this one's worth 14 British pounds. Alright, we have a little deluxe sample size of Claw de Lys. It's the eye cream. It's designed to obscure visible signs of aging. This eye cream works instantly, brightening and refreshing the eye area. This one's worth 16 pounds 35. Wow. This little thing. Am I reading that right? Yeah, 16 pounds 35. We got a bath bomb here by Bubble, and it's the limited edition Lookfantastic Birthday Bath Bomb. This one's worth 5 pounds. This cake-inspired bath bomb will help you celebrate our 5th birthday with us. Alright, that's cute. That's really nice. We have something from Sleek. It's an eyebrow stylist. Let's see the shade. Medium. This innovative brow pencil helps achieve tailor-made strokes from thin to thick. And this one's cost £6.49. So let's see what this looks like. Alright, it has the spoolie on one side, and there is the angled tip of the brow pencil. Oh, that may be a little bit light for me because I can't even see it on my hand. I'm trying to build it up here. Yeah, can you see that right there? Maybe a little bit light for me, but we'll see. I'll still play with it. Okay, and the last product here, it looks like lip gloss. This is the Pixie Lip Lift Max in Honey Sheen, and this one's worth 12 pounds. Cooling upon application, this glossy formula soothes, conditions, and calm lips, leaving them with a high shine finish. Let's see what this one looks like. I'm gonna open this one. It's got a nice doe foot applicator there. A little stiff. But there is Honey Sheen. Well, all right. I think that's a nice birthday box. To me, I think it's a lot better than the Beauty Fix birthday box, but that's just my opinion. Take it as a grain of salt, but I'm really happy with this birthday box. I mean, it comes with a good size Molten Brown. It's not the little bitty one. This is the 3.3 ounce. And this little eye cream costs 12 pounds. Wow, can't wait to try this one. And I will try the pencil and the lip gloss. I think that's going to be kind of fun to try. Now the cleanser, I have one, so I may put this one in a future giveaway. And I know someone in my family that would love this birthday bath bomb. But anywho, happy birthday, Lookfantastic. This is a really nice box. I'm happy with this one. And I can't wait for the advent calendar to come next month. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.